Okay? So today's homework is going to be the softball. You will have to do all the work on a loose leaf paper, not on the homework journal, on a loose leaf paper, because I'm going to collect the loose leaf papers. So if you don't have loose leaf paper, take some before you leave. Okay? Question number 1. Olivia divided 58.5 inches of yarn into equal pieces that are 6.5 inches long. How many smaller pieces of yarn does she still have? Does she have? Okay. I'm gonna go to my loose leaf paper, so I'm gonna pretend that this is my loose leaf paper right here, and I'm gonna put question number 1. The first thing I want is the question, so they want to know how many what? How many what?
How many inches?
No, hombre, léanle ahí. How many pieces of yarn? That's it. How many pieces of yarn? That's all they want. How many pieces of yarn? That's my question. Facts.
58.5 inches.
58.5 inches. What else?
5 inches.
Hold on. What else about that 58.5 before it goes somewhere else?
Equal pieces. No.
I'm going to divide them. It says divided. So I'm going to divide this. Divide it equally. So listen again. 58.5 inches. I already put it in my facts there, 58.5 inches. But I need to put that it's being divided what? Equally. So you know that this problem is about what? Division, multiplication, adding or subtracting?
Division.
Division. Ya te están diciendo, it's being divided equally. Okay? 6.5 inches. The pieces are going to be in 6.5. You okay? Yes. Okay. So what are you dividing? The 58.5 or the 6.5? The 58.5. So here's my strategy. It's going to be to divide, obviously. 58.5 divided by 6.5. Question so far? Now I'm ready to divide. So we go to the side. Who goes inside?
58.5.
Whatever you're dividing goes inside. Whatever's first goes inside. Yes?
Yes.
Are we ready to divide or no?
No.
No. I just taught you something. The one outside better be a what? A hole. Is this guy a hole?
No.
How do I make him a hole?
Go to the right.
One to the right only. Now rewrite him. Now is it a hole?
No.
Yes. But what you do to the outside, you better do to the inside. So I'm going to go inside. And how many times did I move? One. Now I'm ready to go. Right?
Yeah.
Now the decimal, please quickly put the decimal up so you know where it is. Now you're going to put it in the wrong place. Now 5, is that enough? Put a 0. 58, is that enough?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
No. It's too small. 585, is that enough? Yes. Times what? Pues no sé. So I'm going to guess and check. Guess and check means to go take a guess of how much it could be.
8.
8? That's a real good guesser. 6 times 8 is 48 plus 4? 52. I think that's kind of low still, so we could probably try the what?
9.
The 9. 9 times 5?
45.
45. 9 times 6?
61.
54 plus the 4?
58.
What's the best one?
8. Nine.
9. So how many pieces will Olivia be able to cut if she does them in groups of 6.5? 9. Basically, she has a bunch of yarn and she's measuring 6.5, cut. 6.5, cut. So she puts in groups of 6.5. 6.5, one group, cut. 6.5, one group, cut. That's division. But they were nice to us because they even mentioned the word divided. And what else tells you that it was about division? What other word told you that it was probably about division? Equal pieces. When you put things equally, you're dividing. Okay? Questions with this one? The way I did number 1 about Olivia, you're gonna go home and do question number 2 about Elena. Okay? Now, how do I punch in this though? The answer was 9, right? 009 point. How do I punch it in? So I would just come over here to the box, right here, and I would enter there. Um, it doesn't let me right now, but I would, because I haven't opened it, it's locked. I would enter there, what number? Do you need the zeros? No, you just put 9. Can I put 9.00 if I want? Yes, but I would just put 9. That's it. Because 9 is a what? A whole. That's it. Questions with number 1 and 2. Okay? Slide 3. Slide 3 is about multiplying decimals. Now this, you don't have to do questions, fact, strategy, because it's already telling you, hey, multiply. So you just start multiplying, guys. You don't have to do questions, fact, strategy, and this one. So here we go. Number 3. What did I tell you, Leslie? What did I do tell I did tell you, I'm sorry, what did I did tell you that I like to put one number on top, the one that has the most what? Digits. So who has the most digits? 28 or 7? 28, the most digits. Because I told you that when we're multiplying decimals, we treat them like they're what? Wholes. So it's 28 on top times what? 7. We don't have to line up decimals when you're multiplying. That's for adding and subtracting. So now you just multiply regularly. What's 7 times 8? 56. What's 7 times 2? Plus 5?
19.
Okay, check this out. I know that A and B are dumb and dumber already. Because they don't look nothing like mine. But what do I have to do once I'm done multiplying? I have to go count how many are in the decimal place. So in 7, did we have any decimal places? No. In 2.8, how many? 1. So how many times do I have to move? 1. D. Don't circle it, you're going to click on it, right? Questions with that one? The way I did number 3, you will go home and do number 4. Okay? The next one, we have 5 and 6, right? I'll do 5 for you right now. Number 5. By the way, you have to do also 4 and 3. All the ones that I'm doing, you have to do them. So you have to go watch the video or do them on your own. I want all problems done. So don't think that you're just going to do the one that you have to do. You still have to copy what I've been doing right now. Okay? To go practice. I would even try to do it by myself and then go watch the video if I did it correctly. So you're still responsible for 3 and 4. 3, 4, 5, all of them. Okay? Okay, the next one. Treat them like what? Wholes. Which one has most digits? It doesn't really matter, right? But I would probably still put 28 on top because if I treat it like wholes, it's the largest one, and 24 on the bottom, because I'm treating them like wholes. There we go. 8 times 4. 32. 4 times 2.
8.
Plus 3 more.
12.
Number.
11.
11, good. Now I'm done with the 4, so what did I tell you to do? Cross him out and put a what? 0. Please do that. I'm also done with the 3. Cross him out because you might use them unintentionally. You might use them. Cross them out. Now 2 times 8.
16.
16 right here. Right there is the 6 and regroup over here again. 2 times 2.
5.
4 plus a 1, 5. Right there. They're all lined up nicely. Now we're going to add them. 2, 7, and 6. Just with that, what two choices are Dumb and Dumber? A, B are Dumb and Dumber again. And now I need to go back to the original prompts. How many were in the decimal places?
1, 2.
1 on this guy and 1 on this guy makes a total of 2. Remember that we have to count the total. So how many times am I going to move? 1, 2. So what's the answer?
6.
C, 6.72. The way I did number 5, you're going to go home and do number 6. Hold on, Oliver. The last page. Does that remind you of something?
Yes.
So if you already did it, you don't have to do it again. If you already did it, you just click on the answers. You don't have to do it again. If you already did it correctly from yesterday's video, you should be able to have done that one. Yesterday's video was this guy covers those two prompts. I just put them again because I wasn't sure when I was going to do that video, so I just put them again. So just click on the answers. Now, if you haven't done them, I would go watch yesterday's video to do those last two problems. Questions?
No.
So your homework for today is going to be what ball? The softball. That's a softball. The softballs are bigger, like they're usually yellow green for usually the girls are the ones that play softball. Sometimes there is men's softball, especially as you get older, but in middle school, softball is for the females. And baseball, so I coach baseball, is for the boys. Okay? But softball can be for boys and girls, like baseball can be for boys and girls, especially younger. As you get older, they like college is softball for girls again and baseball for boys in college. Okay? In high school, softball girls, baseball boys. In middle school, softball girls, baseball boys. But in the leagues outside, they mix them. Okay? Baseball can be girls or boys and softball can be boys and girls. But anyway, the softball is usually a color yellow green. Sometimes white, but they're the fat ones. And the baseball is the smaller one. Okay? So this one is the softball. Questions?
No.
So how many questions do you have for homework? You have 2, but I already gave you one. All you have to do is watch the video and copy all the steps with me. You're still responsible to copy the steps. That's what I'm trying to make a point. Because some of you think, I'm just going to do the ones that I have to do. No, because I'm going to grade them all. I'm going to pick up that loose leaf paper tomorrow. And I'm going to grade number 1, number 2. And nobody should miss number 1 because we just did it in the video together. You just have to do the work now by yourself, watching the video, or do it by yourself. This one, you have to do 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to do them all. But how many did I already do in the video? 2. So you just have to watch and copy, watch and copy, watch and copy. Or what you can do, that's a good strategy, is let me try by myself. Now let me play the video and see if I did it right. Yes, I did. Good. I don't have to correct it. If I did not do it right, it was corrected because I'm giving it for free. And then on the next one, be careful now. And the last one, you should already have done these. That's from the volleyball. The last question, 89 from the volleyball. But I put it again because I wasn't sure when I was going to actually provide the video. Okay? But I did get to provide it yesterday. That's why it's there. So do I have to do this again? No. Unless that you, I need here. Unless that you did not do it yet, because you better do it. Okay? So I'm not gonna do this on this video because you already have the video from yesterday, which is this one. Okay, that's the video that will help you with these two. Okay, I'll probably post it again in this assignment. Any questions for what's for homework? Let me do it one more time. This will be counted as a test grade on a loose leaf paper. And I say it very specifically because when your parents come in, I'm going to say, look, them on the video, I said it a bunch of times. I need the softball completed on a loose leaf paper the way I did it on the video. I need question 1 and 2 done, questions 3 and 4, 5 and 6 done, and question the last 2 that are from reading the volleyball video. So you don't have to do them again, just click on the answers and submit. If you don't submit at home, you will submit as soon as you come in. I'm going to make you submit. I'm going to collect my loose leaf paper. Do not do this on the homework journal. loosely paper because I'm going to collect it. Questions?
No.
Good. Let me stop the video. It's a 15-minute video.